Why blame others for our current situation? Why blame others for our mistakes? Blame shifting is a human survival instinct, a challenge for survival in a society. We want others to pay for our pain. We want the world to fix what's broken inside of us. We hide our mistakes by blaming others. We get stuck in the victim mentality. We feel superior by bringing people down to protect our image. The toxic behavior creates a pessimist personality consisting of low creativity, lack of motivation, and insecurity. It is a destructive behavior that, if it's not corrected, it can lead to a disaster. Blame shifting will prevent you to grow. You can't win the war against life if you can't win the war against your mind. You can't control what life throws at you, but it's your responsibility to take that pain and make something good out of it. The power comes when you start taking responsibility. As long as you keep pointing fingers and blaming others, you'll always be stuck at suffering. News, gossip, toxic people. The human brain is addicted to things that agitate us. Prove to yourself that you can be happy. We have to train our mind to stay in peace. Only you can find happiness. Successful people are constantly failing. They succeed by extracting the lessons from their failures. Use the wisdom to move on to the next phase. Get comfortable with failing. Your body and mind will keep making adjustments. Recognize the areas that you need to evolve. With discipline, you can control the failures. You will feel free once you realize that everything is your fault. You'll feel powerful when you know that you have control of your life. You can do something about it. Everything that you don't like, you can change. Study your 5 closest friends. Are they helping you grow, or are they taking you down? When you grow, anxiety gets defeated. When you compare yourself to 5 years ago, are you growing? Discipline is the key. It is in your mind to chase actions that will help you grow. It doesn't matter if it's somebody's fault that something is broken. It's your responsibility to fix it. People will make or break their dream.